Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manually number your design project and automatically number your design project. So let's assume you have multiple pages to number. Take for instance a textbook, a magazine, or let's say burial program, or any design project that has to do with multiple pages like 50, 100, 200 and above. You know very well that doing this manually can be time consuming. Okay, so I'm going to show you both the manual way and also the automatic way, okay, so that the stress will not be much. Okay, so follow me till the end. Now before I proceed, I want to thank all my subscribers, both the returning and new subscribers. Thank you very much. If you follow carefully, or you've been following me carefully, you understand that I pull out tutorials that are self-explanatory and easy to understand and practice. Okay, so thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and above all, just comment. If you have any questions you want to ask me, in the comment section. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so let's move to the tutorial. I'm going to start with the manual way of numbering our pages, which we all know. I'm going to start with the manual way. So let's assume you have a program of 8 pages. I'm using 8 pages now as an example. I'm going to use 8 pages so that even if you have like 200, 300 pages and above, you can apply same method. Okay, so follow me carefully. This is my A4 paper size. Let's assume it's a portrait design, and like I said, it's going to be 8 pages. Okay, assuming it's 8 pages kind of program. Now I'm going to include the cover page so that in case you have the cover page the same with, the same page, or the same it's in the same file with your inner pages, you won't get confused. Okay, now I'm going to add 8 pages to this file plus the cover page 9. How will I do that? Look at your bottom here. I have explained this, how to add multiple pages, in my beginners class. Do well to watch it. I'll put the link in the description, and other tutorials are also there in my channel here for you to practice. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this your plus sign here. Click on this plus sign, click on it continually till you have 9 pages, that is plus the cover page. Now if you know very well, this place you see 9 of 9 is telling you that you have what? You are on page 9 of page 9. That is, there are 9 pages here. Okay, this is where you know the number of pages you've opened. Now this is page 1. That's why I'm showing you 1 of 9. That is total of 9 pages. Why this is page 1? Okay, so I'm on page 1 now. Why am I doing 9 pages? Like I said, we are using 8 pages, but because of the cover page, it's going to be 9. Assuming this is a portrait design. So I'm going to write cover page so that I will not get confused. Let me write cover page here so you understand that this is my cover page. As you can see, I've written here cover page. So this is not going to be numbered at all because you cannot number a cover page. So I'm going to start numbering from my page 2 here. This my page 2 will now start numbering 1. I'll start numbering it from 1 down to 8. Okay, so let me click on my text tool, type 1. Like I said, it's the manual way. Let's type 01. Let's assume this is the middle of the page. Okay, this is it. I've typed 1. You can go ahead to change your size to maybe 14 or so, or even change your typeface. Or like let's just use this typeface. You can use any one. Now look at it. As you can see, this is 01. So for me to number all the pages at the middle, at the same spot, what I do is I'm going to write Control A. That is, if this was not selected, click on it, or you press your Control A on your keyboard, then copy Control plus C. Now move to the next page, paste it and edit it. Type your 02. Have you seen? Now on the next page, which is page 4 here, but it's going to be reading 3, I'm going to type 3. The next page is going to be 4. I'm going to type there, just edit and put 4. I'm going to paste it again. In the next page, I'm going to have 5. Next, I'm going to have 6. Next, I'm going to have 7. And finally, click on that page. Your last page is going to be page 8. Okay, so if you look very well, this is the cover page, Now we are having page 1. Look at it here. This is page 1. Next is page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so manually I have numbered my page. Okay, manually. So if I want to draw a circle now, let's say circle round it, I can go ahead to draw this, and I can take this my number up. This is what I mean. Take for instance, I add this color. Have you seen I've covered the numbering? I can take this behind by holding down shift key, then I press page down on my keyboard. I can now change the color to white depending on what I want. Okay, I can still copy. I can now select it. I can still copy. Let's go to the next page. I can still paste it because it's the same position. Then I'll select, hold down shift key on your keyboard, click on PG up. On your keyboard you see where it's written PG up, mostly at your right hand side. PG up can add your color. You can now see that manually I'm doing this. I'm also going to still paste that same, look at, I'm pasting that same shape because the same spot. I can now take up this my numbering. The next page I'll still paste it, and either take the number up or take the circle behind. Either ways it will work. Anyone you do, it will work. Now I'm going to paste this. This is for my word page 5. I'll take it up. I'll change the text to white so it will show. I am assuming this is the color you want to use. Paste it, take it up again. Have you seen? Now I'm going to also paste this, take my text up, apply my white, and finally page 8 where we are going to stop, and I'll add my white. Okay, so if you look at it, you see this is page 1, page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So manually I have numbered my page. Even if I have up to 50 or 100 or 200, I'm going to do this manually. That is why it's called the manual way. But I'm going to show you a very simple way to number multiple pages that will save you stress. It will save you stress and time. Okay, so let me delete all the numbers here I've done. I'm going to delete them. I'll delete them so that I'll show you the manual way. I'm going to delete all the numbers I have added here down to page 8, and I'm going to number it automatically. Let's go back to our cover page. Fine, so I have deleted every number here, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to number automatically, pay attention and follow closely so that you will understand and you won't make a mistake. Okay, now move to your layout menu. Click on your layout menu. You will see where we have insert page number and also page number settings. Before you click on anything, first of all click on what? Page number settings. Click on it. This is your page number settings dialog box. As you can see, you have your start at number, start on page, style. I'm going to explain to you, so follow me carefully. For your start at number, where you have your start at number, it is asking you, what number do you want to start from? Are you going to number from 1, 2, 3, 4? That is why it's asking you. If you want to increase this number, you can look at these arrows here, up and down. You can increase it from there if you want to increase. Or you can manually type the number you want it to start numbering from. If you look at where you have your start on page, it's asking you what page. Look at, we created 9 pages here, the cover page and other ones. So it's asking you, where do you want to start numbering? Are you going to start numbering from page 1 or page 2? Because we have our cover page on page 1, we are going to make it, we are going to insert page 2. Look at the page 2 under here. So what will be there is going to be page 2. So I will click on this arrow on top to increase it. I can type it manually. So it's going to start on what? Page 2. Look at the bottom here. It's going to start at page 2. Because 1 is what? Cover page. Now for the style, as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It's telling you, it's asking you, do you want to start numbering from, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4? Or when you click on this drop down arrow, you see Roman numerals in capital letters, you see in small letters, you see ABC in capital and also in small letters. It is asking you, which do you want? Which do you want? Now I'm going to select 1 2 3 4, click on OK. As you can see, I have not numbered anything yet, but I've done the setup. Look at all the pages. Okay, I've not done anything. Now let me type A here. Let it just be like something is on my page. Let me put A here. Let me type B here too, so that you know that each page is going to have its own number. Let me type C, D. Follow me for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, this is F. Let's assume what I'm typing here, these letters are what is on the page. Follow me. Okay, good. Now let's start from this. Have you seen A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H? So let's assume these are the things that are on this page and they are valid enough. I want you to understand. That is why I had to lay this alphabet on this page, so that you follow. Okay, after you've done that, your setting. Okay, after going to your layout, you've done your page number settings. Okay, go back to that same layout again, click on it and click on insert page number. Have you seen where you have insert page number? Just hold your mouse pointer there, let this other smaller one come and click on what? On all pages. On all pages, click on it. If you notice, have you seen your number has appeared here? This is automatically. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8. Have you seen? Automatically I have numbered it. This is my cover page. This is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Because that is what I said. Remember, I said from page 2. So it has minus my cover page and is numbering from page 2. So even if I want to number from page 4, I can set it over there. I hope you are following. Okay, now whatever setting I do for this one, or on this one here, whatever setting I carry out on this one, the other one, every other number will follow. Take for instance, I'm going to change this my typeface from Arial to, let's say, Campton Extra Bold. Have you seen? Let's assume this is the kind of typeface or size I want. If I click on page 2, if I select page 2, have you seen? All of it is going to change. As you can see, look at every other one. Actually, this is your cover page. This is page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you seen? Now let's go back to 1. If I move this number now, if I take it to the right, wherever I place this number, all other numbers are going to follow. This is page 1, right? Let me take it up. Have you seen? Let's check the next page where it will be. Have you seen? They are all at the right hand side. Let me also move this. Let's return to page 1. This is page 1. I'm going to take this to my left hand side. Have you seen? This is my left hand side. I've taken this to just the page 1 alone. Every other page is going to follow this setting because it's automatic. Now I'm going to click on page 3. Have you seen? It's now at the left hand side. Have you seen? Now let's return to 1 again. This page 1. I'm going to put this at the middle. Let's say under this A. Have you seen? Have you seen this? It's under A. Every other numbering is going to fall on the same position at the same spot. So as you can see, this is what 1. This is page 1 carrying A. So page 2 is going to get the same. It's going to follow same setting. This is page 2 B, page 3 C, page 4. Have you seen? Wherever I move this number to from page 1, wherever I move it to, that is where the rest will follow. Look at. Have you seen? So this is how to number your page automatically. Let me bring down this number 1 to the middle. And one good thing about this is that automatically it will drop this your page numbering at the center of your page. That is for your portrait design or your portrait page. So this works for your portrait designs. Okay, if you are using your double-sided kind of design, that means you have to do it manually. So for this your single page, you have to, when you use automatic settings, you will discover that it's going to save you that stress. So whatever thing you do here, whether you change the size to, let's say, 11, okay, every other one will follow same setting. Let's assume I change number 1 now. Let's use Arial. Okay, let's still use this format typeface we use. Every other one will follow the same. Have you seen? Every other page will have the same setting. This is how to number automatically. So if this your cover page wasn't there, that is when you're setting it, to leave it at 1. Like I said before, go to your layout menu. First of all, click on page setting, set everything here, click on OK. Before, if there was no cover page where I have my start on page, I'm going to leave it at 1. But since there's cover page and cover page is number 1, I'll now move it to 2. That is why I have this 2 here. Okay, when you click on OK, go back and select your insert page number option and select on all pages. So do well to subscribe, like, share and comment, okay, and watch other valuable tutorials in this my channel. Thank you.